Quality education should be right for all, not their privilege. Therefore, I introduce you to Brainywood Learning App by Vedic Brain Solutions, a revolutionary way to educate. In this video, I will be explaining to you step by step how to use the Brainywood app. Let's get started. First, if you are an Android user, you need to open up your Play Store, and if you are an iOS Apple user, then go to the App Store. Type Brainywood in the search section, and you will see the Brainywood Learning App. Click on the Install button and open up the app. If you are a first-time user, you can sign up yourself on the app in 3 simple steps for free. First, you need to enter your email, then enter your mobile number, and once the details are filled, then click on Get OTP. Now the Step 2 verification screen will come. You will get a 4-digit verification code to your mobile number and email. Please enter the 4-digit code and simply click on Verify OTP button. Once you clicked, now the final third step will come up where you need to enter your full name, select the class you're studying presently, enter a password, and if you have any referral code, you can type it in this column, or else you can proceed by clicking on Sign Up button showing on the screen. You are now on the home page of the app. When you click on the top left menu bar, you will see all the different features of the app. On the top right side, you will see a bell icon that denotes Notification Center, where you will receive all the important notifications from your experts regarding your learning courses, live classes, and many others. And just next to it, you can find the chat button, by which you can directly go to the Brainywood chat section. Now in this search bar, you can search for the courses that you want to study. And you can complete your entire profile by clicking on the Profile Completion tab. When you click on it, this screen will come up. Fill up your date of birth, profile picture, school name, and other information, and click on Submit. Let's go back to the home page. You can also see a pinned message displayed for you by the experts. You can read the important messages communicated to you. You can also explore the popular videos and can go through all the videos suggested to you. Next, on the home page, you can see the recommended courses for you as per your interest, class, and age group. You can just simply click on it and directly start your learning. On the home page, we have also introduced an amazing feature for our users. Lots of times, students do not complete the entire lesson at once. They sometimes stop the lesson video in the middle of it and close the application. And later on, they forget at what exact time they have left off that particular lesson video. So to overcome this problem, we have introduced the Continue Studying feature. You can pick up the lesson video where you exactly left off. It means you can just simply click here and your video will start from the exact time where you left off. This helps you to save your time and helps you to analyze how much percentage of the video has been completed. Next, we come up to the live class section, where you can find hundreds of our experts conducting highly interactive live classes to solve all your doubts. Here you can see the Today Lectures, Upcoming Lectures, and Past Lectures tabs. When you click on the Today Lectures, you will see all the live classes scheduled for that day. In the Academic section, you will find the academic-related classes, and in Skill Development, you will find the experts taking live classes on various skills courses. You can also look for the class you want to join by searching in the top search bar. You can view the timetable of all the different subject classes by clicking on the View button. Or you can also just simply search for the topic you want to learn from our experts. For example, if you want to learn algebra, then just type algebra, and here the dates of the live class related to algebra will be presented to you. You can simply join the live classes by clicking on Join Now button and just start your learning. Let's go back and explore the Upcoming Lectures feature. When you click on this orange tab, you will be redirected to this screen. You can find the classes scheduled for today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and can even use the search filters by the topic and subject you want to learn. Here in the upcoming classes, you can see a button is displayed as Notify Me. We have seen practically that majority of the time students are busy somewhere while watching TV, playing sport or other activities, due to which they forget to join their class on time since No was there to remind them. Well, we at Brainywood understand child behavior, and therefore we have introduced a Notify Me feature for you that will remind you every time before your live class gets started. When you click on this Notify Me button, you will get a reminder on your phone before 4 to 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and once after 10 minutes of your class gets started. This feature will help you to get notified, and you will never miss a live class. In case you missed the live class, then don't worry. Just go to the past lectures section. Let me give you a tour of how to use the past lectures section. In the past lectures section, you can find all the class recordings, so if you want to revise any particular topic or missed any class, you can simply click on the view link and start your learning. You can take advantage of the search filters and search the specific topic's class recording you want to view. Moreover, if you want to search by the specific date or subject classes, then you can even do that by clicking here. Just enter your details and you will get the results. We at Brainywood have taken care of everything so that we can give you the best learning solution. Let's now explore the Courses section. When you click on the Courses tab, you can see a search bar by which you can search for specific courses. In the Academics section, you can find out all your subject courses like English, Mathematics, Science, Social Studies, etc. And under Skill Development, you can find all the courses as per different learning interest areas. You can find memory courses, coding courses, language courses, mental ability courses, personality development courses, and many other skills certification courses that will build up to 8 different types of multiple intelligence in you and will give you a complete holistic development. Let's go and start learning Brain Science course. When you click on it, you can read the overview about the course. You can understand what will be benefits of learning this skill, and we have also listed the frequently questions that you might have in your mind before learning. When you click on the lesson video, you will find all the lessons here. You can simply scroll up like this to see all the lesson videos. You can click on any video and start your learning.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं डॉक्टर मनोज शर्मा, आपके दिमाग का दोस्त, आपका दोस्त और एक ब्रेन साइंस ट्रेनर।
Our video player has an inbuilt feature to automatically adjust the video quality as per your internet speed. You can also change the quality of the video by clicking here and can keep the quality as high, medium, or low. You can full screen your video from here and your screen will come into landscape mode for better learning.
आपके पास फैकल्टीज हैं, आपके पास कोचिंग सेंटर्स हैं, आपके पास गूगल है, आपके पास कई बार
You can even rewind the last 15 seconds or can also forward it. Not only this, you can even increase the speed of the video by clicking here.
और सबसे ज़्यादा प्रेशर, सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस, सबसे ज़्यादा तनाव भी उसी पार्ट पे होता है जिसे हम सेल्फ स्टडी कहते हैं, क्योंकि सेल्फ स्टडी में हम
Or can slow down the video speed to 0.75 or 0.50 like this.
ब्रेन साइंस और जो आपको सिखाएगा।
These features are been developed so that each student can learn at their own learning speed. Now on the same screen, you can also see there is a rating button in blue color. This is a user feedback feature by which you can give a rating to every lesson of your course. If you liked the lesson, you can select what you liked. In case you disliked it, you can select the problem you faced. You can even write the feedback and click on Submit. We have a complete dedicated monitoring team entirely made for you who analyze in the background and check every user rating, so that if you face any problem, our experts can solve out and your learning never gets compromised. You can also play the quiz from here. You can read the guidelines for the quiz you're attempting and start your quiz. You can select the answers to the questions. When you click on the top right, you can see the entire report of how many questions are there and how many you have attempted and are pending to attempt. You can even click on the particular question number and you will be redirected to that question. Further, sometimes it happens you got an urgent work to do. So all you need to do is that click on this button and you can even pause your test and give it later, or you want it to end, you can even do that. Once you submitted the test, you will get the test report on the spot and you can analyze where you went wrong. If you want to retake the quiz, you can click on the retake button. If you want to view answers, you click on it and you will find out the questions with the correct solutions. You can even further see as per filter-wise which questions were correct, which went wrong, and which ones you skipped, so that you can analyze yourself better and can work on your weak points. On this screen, you can see there is a progress bar coming at the top. This shows the progress status of your course. Now let's go to the notes and exercise section. In this section, you can find all the notes for your lessons. You can view it by clicking on the card, or you can even download the notes by clicking on the download button shown in blue color. The notes will get downloaded to your local phone storage, so you can even take the printouts of them. If you want to play a quiz, you can even play it from here and can check your learning performance. Now, let's explore the assignment feature. In this section, you will get multiple assignments related to the course you're learning. When you click on the card, you can read or download your assignment. Once you have completed your assignment, you can upload it by clicking here on the Upload button and can submit it to the expert. The expert will review your submitted assignment and will respond to you within 48 hours about your performance and in what areas you require improvement. You will also get an in-app notification whenever an expert reverted to your assignments, and you can even go through the Submitted Assignments section by clicking on the main menu bar. When you will click here, you will get the entire reports of your assignments. Now let me tell you how to generate a certificate for your course. To get the certificate for your course, you first need to pass the certification test. Your certificate will only be generated if you clear the minimum passing percentage set for the certification test. You need to click on the certificate test button, which is shown next to the assignment. When you click on it, you can read all the guidelines of the test. Once you are ready, you can start your test, and if you pass the test, then congratulations, your certificate will be automatically generated on the results screen. You can also download your certificate by clicking on Download button. Now, let me take you on the tour of the Brainywood question and answers feature. In the Q&A section, you can ask your all doubts, give answers to other questions, can give a vote to other users, and many more. Let us go through it all one by one. On this screen, you can see there is a search bar. In this, you can search out the questions you want to ask. You will find all the similar questions asked in the past by the other users. You can just simply view the answers to those questions and can save your time. In case you do not find out the question in the search bar, then you can ask the question to the experts. All you need to do is first select the course. For example, I want to ask my question related to English. Now, you need to select the chapter your question belongs to. In my case, it belongs to Nelson Mandela. Now, if your question is belonging to any specific topic lesson, you can even select that. In the box shown, type the question you want to ask. If you want to attach an image, you can even do that by clicking on the image button shown on the left bottom. Click on it, attach the question image, and click on Submit. Your question is now successfully submitted. Now, the Brainywood dedicated team will review your question and will publish it if it is not violating the policies. Once your question has been approved by the team, you can find it in the My Question section. The Brainywood experts normally give answers to every question been asked within 24 hours. In the Latest Question tab, you can find all the recent questions asked by the users on the app. In this section, you can view the other students' questions, give an answer to their questions, you can share the question with your friends, and can even give a like and dislike to the other users' answers. The most liked answer will be automatically showcased at the top. This type of feature helps and promotes peer-to-peer learning, and you can grow your learning by helping other users on the Brainywood platform. Now, we come up to Download Video section. Let me show you how to download your videos and play them offline. A lot of times it happens you are traveling somewhere, you don't have internet connectivity, or your internet speed is not stable, due to which you are not able to view the lesson videos. Well, by using this download feature, you can save the videos offline on your device and can watch them later without any internet connection. In this section, all the videos that you have downloaded will be visible to you. You can play it offline anytime, anywhere. If you want to download any video, all you need to do is open the course. Go to the lesson video. Select the video you want to download. In my case, I want to download the I Am Brain video, so I will click on this download button. I will select the video quality I want to download, and once the download is completed, I will go to the download section. You can now view the downloaded videos offline without any internet connection. Let us now explore the chat feature of the Brainywood app. You can access the chat feature in two ways. First, you can click on the chat icon showing here on the home screen of the app, or you can go to the main menu bar and click on the Chat Groups button. When you click on it, the chat home screen will come up. You can see a search bar at the top. You can search the names of the group by using this search filter. There is also a pinned message display for you for important updates and notifications. In the academic section, you can find out all the chat groups related to your class subject courses, and in skill development, you will find all the chat groups related to skill courses. To join the group, you just simply need to click on Join button and you will enter the group. all the joined groups will be visible to you in the My Chat section. When you click on the Chat Now, this screen will come up. You can read the purpose of the group by clicking here. Next, you can find the important message communicated to you by clicking on the pinned message. To send a message, you can type a message here and send it. You can talk to others, ask questions, solve other doubts, and promote peer-to-peer learning. You can also attach a photo by clicking on the gallery button like this, and can even use the GIF like this to engage with the other users of the group. Next, to reply to a specific message, you can drag the message to the right side of the screen and reply specifically to that user message. Next, on the top right side, you can see 3 dots visible to you. By clicking here, you can mute all the notifications of this chat group, or you can leave the chat group by clicking the Leave Chat button.